I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm just going to show you how I do my nail sizing kits, and if you do not want to order a nail sizing kit, the client has an option to do the coin method. But this is one of the sizing kits that I did to show that the dream of making press-ons has been with me for years, hence this different logo. This is a logo that I was using while I had a salon. I was doing everything hair, braids, so I minimized to only doing nails and makeup. So this is an old logo that my son did for me. I love this logo, and I also did a spa treatments. So the thing is that it says Beauty Addicts Salon and Day Spa. So the spa is not there anymore, it's just the salon side of it. So yeah, this is one of my sample sets that I did. These are almond nail shape. They start from 0 to 9. This is how I did them. Actually my husband designed this for me, and some of the things here, like the numbers, are old, I don't use anymore. And the logo here, you see it's got two different types of logos. So yeah, I'm going to change this and design a new logo. So this is one of my sizing kits. I only have this one that I did because I also want to invest in buying proper what do they call, proper gel nails, full cover gel nails. So yeah, and if a client doesn't want to purchase a sizing kit, we have this option of the coin method. The coin method, the client is going to spread their fingers like this. Excuse the ashy hands, guys. I'm preparing for a nail set. I'm busy with a nail set as we speak on myself because I have somewhere to go tomorrow. It is Saturday. So yeah, hence this. I was just doing my prep. So yeah, the client is going to spread their nails like this, put a coin on the side. In this case I have a R1 coin. They are going to take a picture and they will state left hand and left thumb. Unfortunately I have to go back to do the thumb so that it comes nicely. It comes out nicely like that. Let me just put my camera a bit forward. Beeping messages. Okay, so that I can put my finger like that, and the R1 coin stays on the side. So this is going to state left hand. You must tell the client that this is the left hand, and same method applies on the right hand. So this is how I'm going to start selling my press-ons. The client will have an option of either buying a sizing kit or doing this method. But I think that a sizing kit, it is much more accurate. If they buy it, you know that the sizes are the correct sizes that they've measured on their nails. You won't find any problem. Although there's other nail technician and nail nail design artist who do the R1 coin, the presson nails artist who do the R1 coin, and they are happy with that. The thing is that the client has to know that the tip has to fit from side wall to, and also make sure that they've spread their nails flat on the table. They mustn't be like that because you won't be able to get the proper measurements. So if the hand is laying flat like this, it is going to be easy for you to do the sizing. They must click a photo, a coin on the side. Same applies to the thumb and the right hand. So yeah guys, this is just a small video that I wanted to show you, and this is also a video that I'm going to link when my clients want to know how to size for their nails. Thank you, beautiful people. I will see you again on another one. Bye.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a